things would pop up. I mean, were there times obviously where there was fraud indicators, but it turns out it was just like sloppy filling out the form or something like that. But what
Oh
kind of
yeah.
information can you share about the fraud accusation? Because it's a very serious accusation. It can really destroy like.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The thing that's the most vicious is a poison pen letter, because somebody sends in a poison pen letter, it gets put into someone's case notes, and then the officers are told there's no such thing as a bad refusal. They're told this by their managers. And so a poison pen comes in, it's not vetted that much. It might just be put into the notes, and an officer sees, oh, somebody wrote a letter saying that this person intends to go work for their uncle in New Jersey. And without any investigation, they might just be inclined to 214B that person, if it's a 214B applicable visa class. So, there is a lot of things that I can't really talk about that they do in the fraud prevention unit, but a lot of things that it's really just kind of the concept of uh, people people getting themselves into unnecessary trouble. They find somebody that's cheap on the ground in their country that'll fill out the application for them. They fill it out sloppily. They don't know what's written in the application. Maybe that vendor that they went to is associated with some other fraud schemes, and so their IP address is flagged, and so they get flagged just by having gone to this vendor.
Wow. Yeah. That's a mess. Yeah, I'd see it a lot. People who don't speak the language, have someone else fill it out, a travel agent fill it out who doesn't care enough to
Mhm.
pay attention or ask the details. Because that form, I mean, the DS wants the DS 260. I mean, when it just gets longer and longer. In 2008, 9 when I started, it was the DS 230, which is like a 2 to 4 page thing. And now the DS 260 is, I mean, it's just like whole thing. It takes hours to fill it out, and some parts are confusing. People don't know how to answer them.